So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making restaurant style chicken curry. So let's start with the intro. So guys, here are the ingredients which we are going to use today. So let's begin. So firstly we have to marinate the chicken. So to marinate the chicken, here I am adding some oil into it, and I am going to mix it well with the chicken pieces. Now here I am adding cumin powder into it, which is around 1 tablespoon. Around half tablespoon of coriander powder and little bit of red chili powder into it. If you want, you can add lemon juice into it as well. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of yogurt into it, and we have to marinate the chicken into it. We have to keep it aside for a minimum of 30 minutes. As long as you can keep, it will be better for you, as the marinade makes the chicken more tender and juicy. So I kept it aside for the 2 hours. And now here I am adding some Kashmiri red chili powder. The Kashmiri red chili powder is non-spicy, it just gives color to my marinade. Now we have to cook the chicken in this manner. Firstly I have heated some oil, and now I am adding marinated chicken pieces into it. And we have to gas flame low, and we have to cook the chicken for around 4 to 5 minutes from each side. Here I am adding leftover marinade into it, as it contains lot of flavor. Now we have to start making the gravy of our chicken. For that, here I have heated some oil. Now I am adding black peppercorns into it, 1 bay leaf, and some cumin seeds into it. Now I am adding green chili into it. The green chili is optional. If you want, then only put. And now here I am adding chopped onions into it, and we have to cook the onions for 2 to 3 minutes or it turn into a golden brown in color. Till the time our onions getting cooked, we have to flip the chicken pieces. As you can see, it is turned into golden brown in color, which means one side is properly done. And now in the same procedure we have to cook the another side of the chicken as well. So now back to gravy. As you can see, the onions are turning its color, so I am adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste into it, and we have to cook it well. So as you can see, the onions are turning into golden brown in color, so I am adding tomato puree into it, around 1 cup, and I am going to mix it well. Now I am adding some coriander powder into it, little bit of garam masala powder, and some cumin powder into it. Little amount of turmeric and enough amount of red chili powder into it. And now we have to give it a nice mix. Salt according to the taste. Some lemon juice into it, as the lemon juice will cut down the excessive spiciness of my gravy and it will balance the taste. And now we have to add around 2 cups of water into it, so that it will cook the gravy properly. As the water is start bubbling, so we have to add cooked chicken into it, and we have to cook it for around 5 minutes, not more than that. If you cook more than that, the chicken will get overcooked. At the end, I am adding some dried fenugreek leaves into it, that is kasuri methi. If you don't have it, then you can skip it. If If you like the video, then please comment down below and press the like button, as it gives the motivation to me. And now I'm garnishing it with lemon slices. The detailed recipe is given in the description box, so do check it out and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Till time, bye bye.